This song right here was taken by the Marines as their own, and there's no words to describe that honor. So we're going to play it for you while this is happening. This song is called 18 Days.
You show me what it means to live. You made me move when I was helpless. As my knees break tonight, will I remember that state of mind? I'm soaring straight to your heart, and I'll fly high. It's been 18 days since I first hit you. The holidays. Just to have a look at myself. I don't know how to change if I look at was that shit? I'm like, forget I'm having to sing, I'm watching the show. Oh shit, I'm in this. To be an American.
Awesome was that? It doesn't get any more beautiful than that right there. Thank you so much. You guys are insane. You sound awesome. The jumpers were talking about how they can hear you coming in. So real quick, I just want to introduce everybody. The guys that made it happen today. The ground crew here. Guys, go ahead and raise your hands. Team leaders out on the drop zone right now. We got a collective group of about 10,000 jumps between us. But the ones we really came here to see, let's just go ahead and talk about them real quick. The guy bringing in the most beautiful flag in the world, the Stars and Bars. He's a United States Army Special Forces Green Beret with over 3,500 jumps, multiple combat deployments. Sergeant First Class, Corey Christensen. Next up, my man with the SOCOM flag. He's an Army Ranger. He's got over 5,000 jumps. From Pinole, California, Sergeant First Class, Aaron Fiegel. Last but not least, the top of the world, and I want to give him a special shout out. He's a Special Forces Lieutenant Colonel, Green Beret. He happens to be the only member of our team that has jumped into combat, and they'll be celebrating the 30-year anniversary in a couple days of the jump into Panama. So let's hear it up for Lieutenant Colonel Ken Ates. All right, guys, if you want to learn more about us, check us out on www.socom.mil. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. That's SOCOM Para-Commandos. On behalf of the Commander of the United States Special Operations Command, we thank you. Have a good night, guys.